What's up, Montreal? Here's another edition of your very own guide to MTL City for all news, upcoming events, and anything else you may be missing out on.
Here are some MTL videos dropped this week. David Lee dropped the video to Blow Up.
So give me a minute, I'ma blow up, blow up. I'm a fucking blow up. Give me a minute, I'ma blow up, blow up.
Sans Pression featuring Deux Sides dropped the video to Faculté Affaiblie. What's up?
Rien faire. Le prochain rendez-vous c'est pas au club, c'est au cimetière. Repose en paix. J'suis désolé, boy.
And LK Dagoon with FNFB carries on with his movie projects, with this video being the latest episode.
You know I be on the low, but if you owe me money, I'ma make you pay. I'ma bang on them bitches, bang on them bitches. You know I'ma bang on them pussies, bang on them pussy niggas with them things.
Did you check out the new trailers to DMS Battle Ring's next edition? Make sure you post and comment to get these battlers hyped up, and don't forget to come through on the April 17th for the 5th DMS Battle Ring edition. Also, stay posted for DMS to bring you the all-new female MC battle raps in an upcoming battle ring. This is going to be a first in the city. The date is not set yet, but the two first opponents are Reality versus General Q. Check out themainsource.com for more news to come. Last week, Sosa Gambino was special guest on the DMS radio show. He's recently been on the news with his controversial social media stance on how the media portrays rappers, so we gave him a chance to bring out his side of the story. Go to the 514 scene on themainsource.com to check the videos. So what's going on around your city? If y'all liked Rashid Baturi, he's recently announced that he wants to cash in from the English side of comedy. So he's performing at the Rialto Theater on his first 100% official English show. And that's a warm-up to his big events in New York City. This event is going through April 9th, $40 a ticket, with all profits going to the fight against cancer. In support of the Dark Sky Paradise, Big Sean is hitting up his first round of the tour with an appearance in Quebec City if you're up for the drive. It's this Friday, April 10th. Later on in July, he's reaching Montreal at Bell Center during the major city's second tour round. For his show, tickets go for $60 versus almost double this summer at the Bell Center. But that show's going to be with J. Cole, so it's worth the deal.
Make sure you're checking out themainsource.com on the daily. Get your dose before work, after classes, while you're bored, and anytime in between. Peace.